Today is Wednesday, August 19th, but more importantly, it's Erev Rosh Chodesh Elul, and we all know what that means. Rosh Hashanah is about a month away, 4 weeks from Friday night. Everybody, including myself, everyone has questions. What's going to be when it comes to the Yomim Noraim? Where are we going to daven? How are we going to daven? Will I have a chance to hear shofar? What if I'm not comfortable coming to shul? What if I'm not comfortable leaving my house, but I want to make sure that I have some connection? This video is to answer those questions to the best of our ability. I haven't stood here in a very long time. None of us have really been in shul davening together in the sanctuary for months. It would be great if we would be able to daven in the sanctuary, also have a minyan downstairs in the social hall like we do every year with plenty of space and social distancing, have air conditioning. That would be our first choice. That's plan A. The problem is, it's out of our control. We have to wait and see. We're not going to do anything unless it's safe and it's legal. So what happens if we can't be inside? If the authorities don't consider it to be safe? We still have to daven. It's Rosh Hashanah Yom Kippur. We need a plan B. So welcome to plan B. This is the Shaarei Tzedek tent, our Ohel Moed. We meet here every day, Shacharis, Mincha, Marav, on Shabbos as well. We have social distancing. We have plenty of space. It's open. The air flows very nicely. And thank God it's been working very well. Now, one tent obviously cannot seat everybody. So welcome to the patio of Shaarei Tzedek, better known for where we would enjoy our Kiddush together on Shabbos. And don't worry, God willing, we'll be back here, hopefully very soon. But in the meantime, this can also serve as the place to daven Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. We have the table set up nicely, and we can actually extend this patio and add a section of tent and a roof, and we could go out as far as we want, all the way to the wall if need be. And if we do so, we would be able to sit probably safely 50 to 60 with social distancing, of course. Now we realize that even 2 venues may not be enough. We have Kenai Nahara, a lot of people to take care of. But thank God we have a very large parking lot. And there's plenty of room in our parking lot for more tents. And if need be, we have one on reserve for a 3rd tent. And we can make it a size that's safe, but also able to accommodate anyone who wants to daven on Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur with the minyan. I know what you're thinking. We can have all of the tents all over the property of the shul, and we can have the davening and the seats arranged. But what can't we control? The heat. Today, I'm standing out here, I'm schwitzing. It's about 100 degrees. So how do we make it bearable and even better comfortable in the tent? So we met with someone yesterday who specializes with air conditioning a tent. And even with openings, he says that he can cool off the tent 10 to 15 degrees. If it's 90 degrees outside, taking off 15 degrees would be pretty comfortable. 75 isn't bad. If it's even cooler, then we're really going to be okay inside the tent. But we are addressing it, and the goal is, with a shorter service and air conditioning, that we'll be able to daven and feel comfortable, and it will be meaningful. All right, back inside, comfortable, out of the heat. That was just a glimpse of plan A and plan B. Now, we realize that some people might not be comfortable going into shul, even if it's allowed. So we'll have the tent option with air conditioning for those who want to daven outside. We also realize there are those who don't want to daven with the minyan. They want to be very careful, but they want to hear shofar. We're going to take care of that as well. No Jew will be left behind. We'll make sure that we find you, that we'll send someone to blow shofar. We'll have a plan for Yizkar. Don't worry. We're going to take care of it. The only thing is we need the information from the survey because that guides us, that tells us what exactly we need to prepare for. And finally, the last thought. This pandemic has been trying for everybody. Although we have one-on-one contact, I try to reach as many people as possible to go through the list, to call, to text. but it's not the same as being together as a community. And it's hard to replace that. But this is an opportunity where we can step up and work together as a community, where we pull all of our resources and make sure that we are able to accommodate everyone's needs. This will be a schus, a merit for us, and that's the plan. We are a community. If we take care of each other, Hashem will take care of us. Everyone should stay cool and stay tuned for more details as they develop, and I hope everyone will have a happy and healthy New Year. Ksiva v'chasima tova.